Hang up on you. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. So I'm about to go to work. Yeah, I'm about to go to work, but I need to stop at the bank first. I also need to get gas. Ah shit, I forgot my juice inside. Whew. So yeah, and y'all, I also forgot to do my skincare this morning. So my products are literally in my bag because I'm gonna do it at work. I even bought my little wristband thingies with me. So let me get out of this driveway, go to the bank, go to the gas station. I think I'm gonna get a straw from the gas station. Hopefully I remember because I be forgetting a lot of shit. I can't even do no dumb shit now because the cops is literally right there. Actually, you know what? I don't give a fuck. I'm going regardless. Yo, you see the neighborhood that I live? These cops don't play. Like, they don't want you to drive through the gas station as a former shortcut, but I don't give a damn. I got places to be. Come on, any second now, any fucking second now. Oh, I feel like people just purposely fucking shit.
I just got to work and I have my skincare lined up, ready to go. But the only thing is I forgot to pack my face towels. I'm gonna have to use a regular paper towel. And I also realized that I only picked up one of these, but that's fine because this is the dominant hand that the water always run down most on. So I'm not really worried about that. But let me hurry up because I got to work late. Y'all, it's 222, make a wish. But anyways, I have like 10-15 minutes to pick up the patients, so yeah. Ah shit, this water hot as fuck. And I'm just doing one cleanse because I did cleanse my face this morning. I just didn't put on my serums and stuff. Anyways, I gotta go. So I'm on my lunch break right now. I did a couple med passes, and y'all, tell me why my manager came to me and she's like, I found your YouTube channel. I'm like, girl, what? And it's so funny because in the vlog that I'm editing right now, I did bring you guys to work with me, so hopefully that doesn't get me in trouble, even though I feel like I didn't really expose anything or show anything or anyone. So I don't think that's gonna cost me my job, but she's really cool people. She's Jamaican like me, so I don't think she's gonna look at it any type of way. I do appreciate the subscribe because she did say she subscribed to my channel, and I love that for me. But let me eat my dinner and finish watching my series. I'll probably talk to y'all later when I get home or tomorrow. Hey y'all, so I just got back from the grocery store and I forgot to bring my camera, and I'm about to show you guys what I picked up. I got some eggs, white bread. I got cereal for Madison because the doctor, her pediatrician, says that she still need 16 ounces of milk, and I'm not just gonna give her pure milk, so I add these to it. So I got my favorite yogurts, and y'all, these are so freaking good. Pediasure for Maddie, some spaghetti. And y'all, I got me some kombucha. I've never tried it before. I saw it in the supermarket. I'm like, let me see what the girls be talking about. Yogurt for Maddie, some baking powder, and I got cupcake
what do you call this, baking cups, some blueberries, tomato sauce, some organic oat milk, agave, whipped cream. I got some pork and chicken frankfurter, smoked bacon, some ground beef, chicken wings, and some drumsticks. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack these away. I need to do my skincare because I left early this morning and didn't do it. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna make me some breakfast. Whew, it's hot in this bitch. For the rest of the day, I basically have work, and tomorrow I have therapy and laser. And I want to touch base on my laser, how it's going, because tomorrow's gonna be my 6th session, and I feel like I've done enough to actually, you know, give you guys update on my experiences. Like, is it working, pain level, and all of that. So, yeah. So tell me why I'm gonna have to do my skincare again at work. And it's my fault because I was just sitting around chilling. It's like I totally forgot that I didn't do my skincare. And I brought the kombucha with me so I could try it with you guys. I put it in the freezer so it could get cool quick, even though it was already cold. So I'm about to try it with y'all right now. Okay, this actually tastes good, and it has this taste that I've had before, but I can't really put my hands on it. But I know, like, this is something I've had back when I was living in Jamaica, but I can't remember. It's like some kind of washouts. So if I do remember, I'm just gonna put the name somewhere on the screen, but it tastes like familiar, like it really do.
Super fine, bills paid, doing fine. To the time, give me brain, using mine. Pussy wet, I'm a water sign. Don't forget, expensive bitch by design. Throw it back, you know I ain't holding back. 69, we could be my zodiac. I'm a catch, hourglass, no snitch. Get the Rex, take a trip, go relate. These bitches get down on the floor. Take your toes, bust it open like a pro. Yeah, I know you never seen this shit before. Make the money, spend some money, get some more. That's right. I'm doing rich shit.
Tell me if you still love me. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me in Moscow.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know.
Hey y'all, good morning. First of all, don't be rude. But anyways, hey y'all, good morning. We're about to be Nara Smith up in this bitch. I'm going to make me some blueberry muffins. And hopefully these muffins come out good because I'm gonna be pissed. Where the black folks at?
Hey guys, I'm Dina from simplyhomecooked.com, and today I'll be showing you how to make these fluffy and moist blueberry muffins. Half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Baking soda? Ain't nobody fucking told me that. I guess we're gonna be baking without the baking soda. Okay.
Then whisk it all together and reserve one.
Okay, I do have a whisk girl.
Now mix the reserved table. Now add 3 eggs into a large bowl and whisk.
Okay, slow down. Mine don't look like hers.
A mixture as you slowly add 3/4 cups of heavy cream.
Heavy cream. Listen to me. I ain't promising nobody that I'm ever gonna make this again, because when I tell you I was having problems with the batter, like it was super thin. Y'all, it was thin like my fucking edges. So I think I'm good with it now. I don't know. I'm gonna just put them in the baking tin, bake them, and we see how it goes. It's hours later, y'all. I had to go lay my stupid ass down after that fiasco with the muffins. And I'm about to go make me some dinner, but I'm not going to record because I feel like because I was recording the muffins, that's why it was all the way fucked up. But I'm gonna make me some salmon with rice. I'll probably make potatoes to Madison because she's been eating way too much rice, even though potatoes aren't any better. But I'm gonna do that. I don't have no veggies. But anyways, the reason why I come on here is because I was to tell y'all about my laser hair removal. I have some notes, and yeah, let's just jump right into it. So anyways, last Friday was my 6th session, and I get this done every 4 to 6 weeks. And in that time, it's recommended to shave, but honestly, y'all, don't tell nobody. I don't shave until the day before my session, and I get a full Brazilian laser, front, back, and happy trail. And as far as hair growth, y'all, the bikini part is completely bald. I'm not even exaggerating. Like, baby, there's no hair there. And hair do grow back on the labia, but it's not as thick and coarse as it used to be. And I kid you not, y'all, I was already seeing results. I think the 3rd session, like the bikini area was starting to thin out, and then every other session after that, it's just been great. As far as pain level, for me, I have high pain tolerance. Some days it's a 2, other days it's nothing. But you can honestly feel the hair burning. But she has this thing where the minute she zaps, there's something that's cooling it. I think I want to get her on one of my vlogs to like thoroughly explain it, because I'm not a professional. I'm just a client. And I'm glad that I decided to get laser hair removal. First of all, hang up on you. Anyways, I'm glad that I got laser hair removal, because I used to shave and I never had no interest in getting any freaking wax. Like, I don't care how high my pain tolerance is, waxing is one of the things off my freaking list. No ma'am. But I think she used the ND YAG, and that's suitable for people of our skin tone. And another thing that I love about getting laser hair removal, y'all, is that my girl, she's black, okay? She is BLACK. When I was researching, I saw a lot of horror stories about black girls and laser. And also I had a really rough time trying to figure out where I was gonna get this done, because I need to know how long you've been doing this service. Do you have black clients? I need to know the experience. I need to know how many sessions they got. I need to know if they have any complications. Like, I needed to know it all. And it's just one day I went on Instagram and just typed in black laser hair removal, and I found her. Like, she is literally not even 10 minutes away from my house, and she says she's been doing it for I think 13 to 15 years. So I love that. She also do body sculpting. She does skincare. I don't know if she do lip injections, but lately I've been wanting to try that. I really do. As far as cost, I pay $160 for every session. I know to some that might be expensive. I don't know. Girl math to me doesn't seem expensive, because remember, you're getting it done every 4 to 6 weeks. So I don't know. But let me go cook this dinner. Like I said, I'm not recording anything because I don't want to spoil nothing. So I'm gonna just show you guys the after. I'm headed out to work right now, and I don't think I'm gonna bring you guys with me today. Oh shit, my mic fell. But like I was saying, but yeah, I don't think I'm taking you guys with me today because I only have like 30 minutes worth of footage on this memory card, and I need to go buy me one. Actually, I should have bought it last night when I checked on my Amazon cart. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Oh, baby, this heat, I can't do it. But I'm gonna go get me some coffee. I've been to this coffee shop before. It's been a while since I've been, because they used to close at midday. I don't know why they did, but now I see that they're open until 3 o'clock. Yeah. You have a fucking problem with me?
I'm just getting out the freaking coffee shop. I was in there for 20 minutes chatting it up with the owner. Got the strawberry white chocolate mocha. I actually went for just regular white chocolate mocha, but the guy that served me suggested I should try this. Y'all, it's so freaking bomb. Okay, hey guys, happy Saturday. Y'all saw me with a bunch of packages. I been got these from Wednesday. I just wasn't in the mood to like open them, but there's one thing that I'm super excited about. When I show this to y'all, I know y'all gonna be on it. So the first thing I got is more of this feminine wipe, and not my last vlog, I think the vlog before my last vlog I showed you guys this, and let me tell you, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. So I got some nose rings, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but I didn't have my nose ring in for a while because I could not find it. But I got these like cute little studs. I think they're 14 karat, and I don't remember the size, but it's pretty dainty. Moving on. Okay, so I was watching Taja, I don't know if that's her name, on YouTube. I'll probably insert it somewhere on the screen. I saw her with these teeth whitening. She's also a dental hygienist. She was raving about these, and I'm like, yeah, I gotta try it. I've tried Crest before. I don't know if you guys knew, but I had braces for 2.5 years, and for some reason every time I use Crest, like my nerves, my teeth is like super sensitive. So hopefully these work, because these was like $50. Also got me another phone case because this one is freaking beat up, and as y'all know, pink is my color. So I got me another water bottle. Why, you may ask? Madison would not leave my freaking bottle alone. Like, she keep harassing me and my freaking bottle. So I got her own. So this is baby bottle and mommy bottle, and they're like super cute. So this is my last Amazon package, and I'm gonna save the best item for last. But let's just get into it. Got more of my towel wipes. These are on subscription. And then I had to get my e.l.f. this top tier. And the last product, y'all, Amazon suggested it, and I could not believe my eyes. I'm like, yep, instant checkout, bitch. Do y'all see that? Y'all already know anything Arm & Hammer is good, but Arm & Hammer X Terra Bread, hello. I freaking love the mouthwash. I know y'all love the mouthwash. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I knew I just needed it expeditiously. So onto Sephora. Oh shit, I got mostly things from Glow Recipe. So this is the Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner. 9 out of 10 times I'm only using this skincare because it's pink. Like, I'm just being honest. I'm being straight up honest. So hopefully it get the freaking job done. This is a serum. I've tried this before, and for some reason I cannot find myself getting the big one. Like, the mini one is just so freaking cute. I think this is like my 4th one. I don't know, maybe next time I'm gonna buy the big one. So with this, I seen the girlies recommended to use this as a primer before applying your makeup. Whoever came up with that should be freaking arrested, because that's gold. It's gold. So I kind of was gonna stop using this like in my skincare regimen and just use this solely as a primer, but y'all, it's good. It's tea. Something new that I also got from Glow Recipe is this SPF 45. Is it gonna work like an actual sunscreen? I don't freaking know. Is it cute? Absolutely. It smells good, y'all, but this is how it looks. And not only I bought it because it's like cute, but I don't like no sunscreen that's gonna give me a white cast. So the next thing is You to the People Hydrate Dream Glow Mask. And also with this, I just can't find myself purchasing the big one, but that's a 10 out of 10 for me. Something new, and I feel like this was way overpriced, but I bought it anyway. I'm not even gonna mention the name because I know I'm gonna butcher it. And it's this lip oil right here, and I got it in watermelon sugar. That smells so freaking good. And the last thing that I got is my Lineage lip mask, and I use this every day in, day out. Let me show you guys the one that I'm currently using. Y'all see that? This is my second one. I'm trying to get the last of it before I open my new one, but it feels so freaking good on the lips. I think it has witch hazel in it because it has like a cooling effect. So that's my little haul, y'all. I think we're gonna end the vlog here, and I'm gonna need y'all to go get this. Okay, go ahead and get her. I would have brushed my teeth right now, but I'm gonna wait until tonight to use it. And in my next vlog, I should tell you guys the tea. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Mwah.